Hello and welcome to this very special live. This is the studio special event today, but it's also the first season launch for us. Come 15th July and it's a reset for our calendars. We are going to come on this post 15th July. Always you will see us resetting and you will see the most gorgeous collection for the new season coming. तब तक हम उसको गर्मियां मानते हैं and then it's all a reset for the festive and the wedding season that begins today, this time on 17 July, of course. And we have the most special event lined up in the studio. We are based in Powai and we have a new address, which is, the Light Hall. Light Hall, that's the building name. And you should get more details, live location from us on WhatsApp. And yes, everybody online, so excited to be doing this. You're going to be seeing the most amazing, beautiful collection today coming just for you in this. It's an exclusive launch. Each piece is going to be a stunner and itna exclusive hai that even I don't get to wear it, guys, but you do. Anyways, so it is that limited and it's that special. On another note, we have the lehenga video firing up from yesterday. I mean, what was that? Oh my god, our inboxes are full. I think either you guys like lehengas too much or the flat rates. Anyways, whatever be the case, thank you for all the love. And yes, we have the catalog ready with the length, kali, and all the details that you want for the lehengas, and you should just come on WhatsApp for that. Of course, you get to see that in the studio as well. So let's get started with the most amazing collection that you're going to be seeing. This is the first one for the season and it's really special to us. So I'm going to open with this one. We gave a sneak preview yesterday of this wonderful fabric. I'm going to come a little closer, but yes, of course, I have to also talk about this stunner of a dupatta that I'm wearing. So I'm going to get this back and I'm going to show you the most stunning red pattni dupatta. It's absolutely wonderful. The theme of this one and entire collection this year is going to be definitely one thing that I think we need the most. It's going to be harmony and it's going to be something of, the entire theme is going to be of balance and harmony. I will elaborate more on that as the season goes by, but look at that, the most glorious combination of Sona and Rupa, and I'm going to show you the tassels. This one is in Katan silk. The red couldn't be more beautiful, and yes, there are no figures in this statement dupattas that you're seeing. अगर आप नए हैं, so मुझे कुछ चीजें बतानी है that you can buy these most beautiful dupattas, fabrics and suits. These are our three specialities, and of course the capsule collection of lehengas which are ongoing at a separate note. But yes, all of this available. दुनिया में कहीं भी आपके हाथ में ये हो सकता है. All of these heritage crafted pieces are yours if you want it to be, and all you need to do is come on our WhatsApp with this screenshot of this piece, get all details that you want and place your order. It's super easy to be placing your order from anywhere in the world. We have all kind of payment modes. Just get in touch with the team. And of course, if you're going to be here in Mumbai, there will be nothing better than to be able to see this. And yes, आप चाहे ऑनलाइन हो चाहे स्टूडियो में आए, that piece for example is an exclusive limited edition. So yes, that's the whole joy. Now coming to this one, this is our newest motif launching, and for the first time we have done a Sona, Rupa and Karwa in a satin based fabric. Yes, it's the most exciting look of the season because it has to be in black. Look at the beautiful flow. I mean, these looks are absolutely timeless, something that you're going to be wearing each time. But you will see a lot of gold, you will see a lot of Rupa, which is silver. As we said, we're trying to create that harmony and balance. That is the theme. We will talk more about it as the season goes by. So look at that. That's the most amazing and the very intricate Nakshi work on each motif. The base is satin. It's all in Karwa. Look at the back. It's as clean as it gets. Now let's make it better. How are we going to do that? We're going to bring out yet another very stunning dupatta. And there you go. You can see it here. You just got a glimpse yesterday of it. And I think it got you really excited. I mean, that's the whole point. There you go. The most amazing, beautiful dupatta. Again, no figures in this. This is the Asavali flower. Our interpretation of it and the black beauty right there for you to go. And when you see this, okay, this is the exact way that this can be created. technicalities and these imperfections are what marks a handmade piece, the beauty. When you dye, the black will overflow. इसके बिना ये हाथ के pieces बन ही नहीं सकते, and that is the पहचान of it. So look at that. Here it is, one beautiful black dupatta for you. And now let's show you the combination once again, and so that you can just take all details on WhatsApp. And yes, we're here all day today till 8. If you're even going to be here a little later, that it's going to overlap, we are most welcome. We are ready for you in the studio. But आपको पता है online तो हम, we're there 24/7 almost, at least that's what we try. The 4-5 hours we are not available, but otherwise from anywhere in the world, you can just get in touch. Ek message, that is all that it takes. Yes, cash on delivery is available all over India. That's also such ease actually of making payment. You don't have to worry. You just have to do a token and do that, and it's super easy. Now there you go. This is one very special piece. I'm just putting the iska seedha kar rahi hu main so that I can show you the motif seedha. But yes, now I have done it. There you go. What a beautiful colors. And this time, and I said that in my last live as well, you're going to see the most interesting mix of colors. We have this year completely changed our techniques of making colors, and you will see that in each and very special piece that you see. If you want this to be recreated, hum bhi nahi kar payenge isko recreate. It is that special, okay? Now there you go. Here it is, the most beautiful Ek Tara suit. Oh my God! Look at that dupatta. Look at the whole look right there, just for you, okay? And I'm going to be showing you dupatta once more because it's something you just cannot miss. Ek Tara की पहचान उसके दानेदार silk है, उसका पूरा overall lightness of the fabric है. This dupatta with this kind of work, you cannot imagine how light and gorgeous it is. Each piece has its own story, and as much as I would like to tell you about every one piece and how we have created it, it's also the only limited time, 40 minutes, that I have to be able to show you. All the prices are on WhatsApp. Just come with a screenshot and we will give it to you. Okay, the fabric for the bottom is also made along with the, I'm going to just show it to you with the beautiful border right here on the same loom. It is one of our first premium pieces of this year. Okay, from that we're going to go into something that I have loved making each time, and that's this. This is an ombre special dupatta, and in Georgette you can see the entire glory of this particular piece. Look at that beauty. It's just absolutely amazing. Now let's make it a little tad more prettier as a set. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing a very simple thing. Bringing out an organza. Look at that. Organza Buta fabric, and here it is. So you can now see, I just think that it suddenly just makes so much more better as a look when you have a reference point. ये मैंने कराया है organza में. Of course, this is something you can just buy on its own. But my point is, I wanted to show you, if you want this color, we can do it in chinia. That would be a great choice. We can also do it in Katan plain. But look at the glorious look of this dupatta now as a set. So एक reference के लिए मैंने आपको organza दिखाया है, but you can also pick up any fabric just to get this color and this combination. This is the most beautiful and stunning Georgette dupatta that you will see. Next up, a very special piece coming for you. This is from our newest collection of Sachi Zari dupattas in cotton, and let me show it to you like this by giving it a pause, by giving it some time for you to soak in the beauty of this one. Now, what are you seeing here? You're seeing the most softest, the lightest color possible in woven all of this together. Now you can see it right here. The soft blues, the pinks in pure cotton, and cotton I believe has 100-year life. So real zari agar lena hai, so this is of course option 1 for you. The other option always is Katan silk, जो भी हम आपको आज दिखाने वाले हैं. So this is something very special for us, and let's make it even grander. I'm going to do it by a very simple thing. I'm going to do 2 fabric combinations with the real zari pieces that I'm going to be showing you. Remember, this is just a ride, but once you kind of buy this, we will certify and send it to you. We just didn't have the time to send this for the lab processing, but every real zari piece that you will be buying from us will come with a certification on the compositions of the threads. It cannot be more authentic and more beautiful than that. So there you go. This is the first combination that I'm showing you. That's of course the Gulbuta cotton in the Sona Rupa, and look at the beauty that it makes. Okay, now I'm going to give you 2 choices because you must have it for a real zari piece. So that's the first choice that you're seeing. Oh my God, look at the, it's such, it looks so delicate, right? And feminine in a good way, because I always believe that feminine is, strength and not really softness. It's strength. That's the power of femininity. But coming back on this dupatta, my point being that you can see the soft flow right here. And now let's give it to you another look, and you will see how it kind of completely transforms. Okay, so I know that because of the when there are so many of you who are joining us for the first time. This is from our premium collection. Even in our premium collection of real zari, we have a very broad range. Okay, anything in real zari will start at about start at 90,000, and we have lakhs of that. That's the range for the real zari ones. Our basics chanderis will start at 5,000. The suits will start at 10,000. Okay, so you see what I'm doing. I'm giving you a range from that to the mid-range Georgette suits, Munga suits. We have it all. Now look at this. I love the pink with it, but if you ask me what is it that you're going to be wearing it with, I'm going to be wearing it with this fabric. Just look at the dreaminess. The look that it creates is just something that you have to have. This is our premium chanderi. Now I don't know what is made here and there, but I know what goes in making our fabrics, even the plain ones. We have a compositions of each one of them. Now that was all soft and dreamy, but I do realize that this season is off. Ekdam full on chal rahi hai. The wedding preps, and many of you coming to India. So uski tayari, general celebration. I think, come August, first event is Rakhi, and then you know how it is. It's non-stop. Okay, so there you go. That's a Florence silk just in time for our, festive look. And look at the beauty. This collection, since we launched it, we did it in cotton and then we've done it in silk. And it's always super special, always the first to go. With this, we have to do the more special dupatta, and this is the ghat chola. Look at that. Here it is. So yes, when you do this, look at that. You will see the zari. When we make these premium pieces, ये पूरी रियल जरी नहीं है, इसमें हम 3% यूज करते हैं ताकि ये जो डिजाइन है ये इतनी उठ के आए. सो दिस इज फ्रॉम आवर प्रीमियम कलेक्शंस, एंड हमने टैसल्स नहीं किए हैं. इफ यू वांट, ऑफ कोर्स इट विल बी डन, बट वी लीव इट समटाइम्स टू यू. समटाइम्स यू वांट इट, समटाइम्स यू डोंट वांट इट. हाउ आर यू गोइंग टू प्लेस योर ऑर्डर? मैं आपको वापस बताती हूँ. आप जो ये देख रहे हैं ये सारे ही पीसेस अवेलेबल हैं. इनकी प्राइसेस, डिटेल्स, पिक्चर्स सब है हमारे पास. सो ऑल आपको करना है, all that you have to do is that you have to come on WhatsApp. हमारा नंबर हमारे हर पोस्ट पे लिखा हुआ है, हमारे कमेंट्स में. Don't go down in the PPs and get lost on those numbers. There is a lot of crap that comes. Ignore that. Just see the number. It's also pinned down right now here. But yes, you guys have been so amazing over the years. What we do is all because of you. So, today and always, I want to express that gratitude to you because you guys are absolutely amazing and everything, that we have done. Okay, and such a integral part. When I say that there is a lot of crap in the comments, I mean, all the other things, not you. The PP, keep it coming and keep it coming on WhatsApp. It is so easy, so direct, and, you don't get lost, and we are here with you in that conversation one-on-one. जो आप देखना चाहें हम हैं आपके लिए. Okay, now look at that. That's a stunner Katan silk dupattas, and typically this would be our premium Katan silk dupattas in Karwa, of course in tested zari category, but in the Karwa Jal designs, these are our premium dupattas. Look at the finish, look at the color. It is absolutely flawless. And now I'm going to do a very simple thing with this, is that I'm going to give you a pairing, okay? I could do a very premium katan with this, but you know, I have to keep in mind that we want to give you complete looks that you can really go for. And there you go. That's your look. Look at that. That's a chinia silk. Our motif has been, yes, restocked, and you can see the most wonderful combination in this. I think it's absolutely amazing. Look at the tassels. Look at the whole look for you. It's just gorgeous. This fabric, 3250 per meter. This dupatta price on request. You can go for the whole look, and I think we've done a big than. So what you should really be doing is going for a same on same look, because us tarike se this is going to be a perfect combined look. From that, we're going to move on to one dupatta that many of you have been asking us about. It's the most breezy, beautiful, you know, it makes you feel so good about it. And look at that, here it is. That's the knee boot. Of course, I am wearing a Neve monogram fabric as well. This color has been out of stock for some time, but we have the most beautiful colors again. And again, वही बात है, ये हम चाह के भी ये same color नहीं बना सकते. And believe me, we have tried. Believe me. So when we make the first lots, we make a lot of it, and that is the time when you are going for the signature colors, because that what you see is absolutely perfect, you know, colors, and that's what you get. So look at that. Here you go. This is the most wonderful dupatta with all its effects and glory, and just let's make it a little more prettier as a set. I'm going to be showing you this combination. So now, what is it that you're looking for? This is ombre dupatte. This is the premium katan silk. Isko aap seedha pehnne wale, and then you can be doing, you know, flary skirt. You can go all in for a jacket. But I think a kurta with it and a really flary bottom and this wonderful dupatta is just going to be absolutely gorgeous, okay? So from that, we are moving into a very special piece. And after that, we're going to be doing that. Yes, from that, we're going to move on to a very special piece. Premium bandi dupattas, you know, I mean, that's a specialty. What goes into them? A lot, okay? But here you go. Now, to create something like this as amazing, this is a karwa weave, you know, entire than that you're seeing, basically the base with the zari that you're seeing. Along with it, this most beautiful soft pink color, but uske saath this magenta, you know, dark bandi. I think what an effect that it has. And this zari, it's actually very light gold, but you can actually call it silver as well. So, you know, I mean, we could do a white fabric with it. We could do that. But पहली बार मैं आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ this, and that's your look. This is satin. This is just a cut. Okay, only for the kurta, bottom plain करना पड़ेगा. But the combination was so perfect that I just couldn't resist. Now, if you are going to be doing a very soft look, then this is something that will be amazing. Let me just show it to you like this. Look at that. Like when you're looking for that pastel event, you know, you want to be all nice and light. This is the look that you're going for, but I love it with the pink. I'm going to leave it up to you to decide which one are you going to go for. I just showcased one stunning blue dupatta to you in Qatar, and I'm going to give you the other color in it. And this time, you know, just because I have the white, I thought I'll show it to you with this. How perfect it can be. It is beautiful. Look at the whole look together. I think it's just amazing. इसके साथ मैं एक चीज, I have the most special red than for you, जो आएगा, you know, धीरे धीरे everything is coming. So I'll tell you what I was thinking, but first things first, look at that, here you go. So I was thinking that Florence, आपने देखा आज silk में, we have the most special red than also lined up for you. All of this from a you know, new collection. But because this has a red color, no, it's fine. I want to show it later. Because of this red color, I want to also get it back with the red when I show it to you. So you saw it with the white. I will show it with you with the red as well. Let's keep this separately. Okay, so you've seen one real zari dupatta. Let's show you the next one. You can see the glee on my face. I am so happy to be here in front of you, you know, showcasing the most amazing and most beautiful collection, okay? Now, this time, again, I have two combinations for this entire look. Look at that, the most amazing meenakari work with the temple border, with this whole flow. is just everything that you're looking for. The most unusual designs, the the beauty, the sheer beauty of it. But सबसे ज़रूरी जो बात है, when you come to real zari, is the authenticity. Our pieces will come with certification. ये सारे they arrived just in time. They've been in making for months, but they just arrived in time. But you will get it with a certificate of authenticity, once you purchase it. Now, look at that combination. What is it that you're seeing here? You're seeing this premium cotton with a touch of Meena, and something you just cannot go wrong with, okay? And when you're looking for a little more, then this is something that you can go for. Okay, lot of prices I will tell you, but most, in fact, 90% of the prices for this live are going to be on WhatsApp, are going to be on one-to-one on request. So you have to bring a screenshot and you have to come, okay? You saw that orange. Let's show you what else is possible. And this, okay, I mean, I was working on it, on the whole looks. Of course, we spend a lot of time working on the pieces itself, but we also give a lot of consideration after we have ourselves made the pieces कि इसके साथ क्या जाएगा. And look at that look, the whole combination. I think it's perfection. हाँ, इसमें वो premium cottons बहुत सुंदर लग रहे हैं. If you are somebody who has many of these pieces and you want to kind of add a very classic look, then you can, but yeah, add some fun, you can go for the premium cottons. But if you're new to this, just go for this look. Make sure, this is our regular Guff Chanderi. The only thing that you make sure is that use no other zari, don't do any accentuation. Use the fabric itself to create a lot of volume. You can do self-piping, self-textures. Why I say that? For me, it is absolutely essential that when you wear real zari, only this is the focus and there is no other kind of zari in your piece. But what you can do is wear the most glorious jewelry with it. That's the whole fun when it comes to our pieces. पहले आप pieces पहले, you feel the lightness of it, and then you take out all that gorgeous pieces in jewelry that you have. I know you have it, okay? Take it out and wear them, enjoy them. That's the whole point. Okay, from there we're going to move on to one. First I'm going to show you Gulbuta. There you go. This is Gulbuta in silk. But what I want to show you with this is a season first that you are seeing is our brand new premium heritage weaves made. The dupatta that we made, this is a very first piece that we are going to give you a glimpse for. When I was making this, there's a geometrical design, very detailed in this, and you will see ek ulta hai, ek seedha hai. It's like either ways, you will see the circle, the semicircles are lined up like that. We had such a great difficulty in fitting it in the width that we wanted to make it. And we really wanted the weave to be so fine. And I'll tell you, that's the example that I gave then. It's like, mehndi imprinted on your hand, when it's fresh and it dries, that whole black effect. It is as intricate and as detailed as that. And I'm just so happy that we could really make this design work on such. It's a very intricate design. It takes a lot to be able to fit it on the loom, but we could. And the most soft look in it, we do have one more color which will be coming up. But जो मैं दिखाना चाहती हूँ इसके साथ as a combination. Now this one you can always go for a plain silks and the rest. But for me, when I see this color, the only combination that works is this one. Okay, that's the combination. It is meant to be worn as a set with this one. I think it is most amazing. So this is from our premium collections, and look at the back, as fine and as clean as it gets. And yes, really happy to be launching this new design. So we've done satins, we've done katans, and we had to do this dupatta just for you as the very first piece. Hope you guys will like it and will love it. We've spent a lot of time the last 1 year making these designs just in time for this launch. Yes, that is how much time it takes. Okay, from that we're going to come to this stunner of a rung-cut suit. Okay, and there you go. These designs, yes, launched last year as a part of our premium collection. But of course, once we make it, it's limited, it gets over. We made it just in time for it to come again. Because really, truly, these are absolutely timeless pieces. you just cannot get over it. So yes, यही season है इनको पहनने का, enjoy करने का, and there you go. I'm gonna go for this next look, which is all about the color, which is all about the beauty. Let's show it to you. Here you go. Oh my God, this is a tulip design, okay, and it's a wonderful lightweight dupatta. But what I love so much about it is the width, is the the softness of it. But right now, what I'm loving the most is this most gorgeous color that you see. It's just everything that you really want in a dupatta. And if you are somebody who's new, you want to try Neve, and I know typically बहुत सारे आप you want a dupatta to start out with. This is a great piece. It's a less weight, easy carry, and yes, it's also a very nice price point. Now with this, I'm going to go for this look. Yeah. So there you go. It's a hot color, hot pink. It's just got this touch of green, and look at this. Now this one, what I'm showing you right here, is the most glorious. As a craft, the pieces that are made with this technique, they are just amazing. Look at that. I've opened it up for you. That's the dupatta. You can see the entire dupatta right here. There you go. And yes, that's the full look that you're going for. Do a same on same. It's going to be really good. इसी का एक और option है, and this one again is look at that. That's again our premium jamevaz. It's flawless with the effects. You can wear it just about any time. When you're looking for something that's gorgeous and understated, this is the look for you. But I have paired a dupatta with it so that you do get a full complete look. And there you go. That's the whole dupatta. This dupatta 12,800. The fabric price on request. And yes, it's absolutely gorgeous. I will kind of build it up as we go slowly, okay? We do have another almost 30 minutes to go for this live. We wanted to do it so that you can see these in pieces, aram se, tasalli se. I will tell you all that there is about it here in it, okay? Now, there you go. I will, yes. This is your very next piece that's coming up, and there you can see it. It's in pure cotton, the most beautiful mix of colors that you can see. Ab iske liye again I'm going to do the thing that I have done for all the other real zari ones that I've shown you. I'm going to show you two looks. Okay, इस बार मैं आपको plain से पहले शुरू करूँगी. Now look at that. That's the look. What I'm holding in my hand is the Gaf Chanderi, and it is most beautiful as a base. Okay, but because this one is such a unique color, you can in fact pick up any color from this. And I think honestly, when you're wearing a dupatta like this, you're also looking at creating probably a look or two with it. And why not, it is meant to be enjoyed. It is meant to be worn in more than one way. Now there you go, Gul Bhuta making an appearance again. This is the Gul Bhuta 2 in cotton, and it's got the same green touch which we really want it to be. Look at that combination. It is perfect. It looks amazing. And yes, it's just a full set with it. So there you go. That's the third piece today. Yeah, this is the third piece that we have done in real zari for you. This is again in cotton. Okay, from this I was talking about a very special red fabric. And okay guys, I'm working, I'm having some warm water, but I hope you guys are relaxed. Have your cup of tea and coffee ready to really watch this launch. Okay, it is a very special one. From that, I have the most gorgeous red fabric that you're going to be seeing, okay? Now, look at that. What is it that you're seeing? This one is Katan silk. It's entirely made in Karwa. There are only two colors in it, the silver and the gold, and of course, the base, So that's the only thing that's coming here. It is our season special and a new launch to this particular fabric, okay? This design. And it is entirely a jal design that you can see. The work, it's intricate, it's flawless. You will see, हमने finishing के बाद इसको खोला भी नहीं है. The paper is coming out now. These for us are our treasures. This is our treasures. We are based in Mumbai. आप अगर मुंबई में हैं and you're in Mumbai for today, you have to come join us. We are very close to the airport for everybody who's traveling around today or tomorrow. In fact, even our studio visits are always there by appointment. हमेशा रहते हैं. You can visit us. But the incentive for today is we have lots of offer for you. We are all set for you. In store, बहुत सारे special events हैं आज. So that now everybody online, you are seeing the most gorgeous pieces. It's a piece of history, it's a piece of art, it's a piece of heritage, it's everything and completely attainable by you wherever you are in the world. I mean, that's the magic, you know, that's what we've been able to do. Of course, not only make this, but also get it to you. You know, we're not in that some small, quaint shop, little corner. We're here, absolutely bold and alive, shipping it to you all over the world, okay? Look at that fabric, completely flawless. Or iske back mein I'm going to also show you, look at that, totally clean. It's a Karwa fabric in jar. Yes, you can see the flow, you can see the movement. Now when these fabrics, and I know of course they're going to be more expensive if you go same on same, but sachi mein, when you're wearing something like this, if you say a plain bottom short, then go a very long kurta or a A-line kurta, but justice है इसका पूरा same on same look का. Okay, so now with this we have this dupatta coming up. Now this is the dupatta that you've seen again. You know, I am bringing all of these pieces also as a part of our heritage collection of dupattas to you, launched last year. This is the most beautiful dupatta in Katan silk, and look at the combination. It does not get better. It's a perfect ivory color with Sona Rupa. This is a perfect red with the Sona Rupa, and you just cannot go wrong with it. Of course, red on red, अगर आपके पास एक मन है कि complete red outfit आप चाहें, we can do the most beautiful combination with it as well. But I also wanted to show you, which is what I was talking about, the most unusual combination with it, and here you go. Just because of that speck of red, I think it is so perfect together, so that's the look that you're going for. Here it is. And of course, we've done so many of different crafts and different kind of looks that can be done. एक जो चीज मुझे आपका very excited to in fact be showing it to you is the most beautiful bani dupatta with the most wonderful accentuation that you will see. It is as premium as it gets, as fine as it's possible by hand. Now look at that. Yes, there you go. This is also the launch of our premium pieces with this kind of handwork. You can get more details about it, but yes, जो मैं दिखाना चाहूँगी, of course, it's all done by hand by a team of karigars, not one, not two, by a team of karigars to be able to make a piece as beautiful as this. Look at the flow, look at the detailing, everything right there for you in this. Yes, it is that clean, okay? And there you go. This is going to be your perfect lehenga to be worn, and that's how it's going to be draping. You can of course make a suit with it. You can wrap it on your head. It also works wonderfully well, because I know many of you are looking for wrapping it up for your head for gurudwaras and even otherwise, and this is going to be perfect for that. Now let's show you the combination that we have with it for you, and that's this. This is a satin tissue fabric, and you may have seen a glimpse of it in this season, that just went by. Yes, come 15 July और हमारा calendar हो जाता है reset. And yes, today is 17, and I'm just so glad to be showing all of this season special. First live है इस नए season का. So for us, summer's end, and then this is the main season that starts. And this is the first live of that season with all of these pieces, special pieces just for you. Now look at the combination. This satin tissue is again a very unique composition that we have tried with Karwa, with the Sona Rupa. You can see the buttas, and then you see. So very traditional, very stunning. Of course, you can wear it with red. That's going to be always good with it. But I do think it's the most beautiful combination with it. From that, we're going to move on to something that we launched just a few days back, and which all of you have been loving so much. So big thanks to you for that. That's the Meenakari Georgette dupatta. With it, you're going to be seeing, this plain katan. And I think that's amazing as a look together. Look at that. Oh my God, it's so perfect for your full complete look. 4,800 per meter. And then you wear this very ultra soft, ultra beautiful dupatta. Just gorgeous as it is. and I think it's something that you really can dress up. You can do handwork probably if you wish. You can do a lot of volume, but just enjoy the flow and the beauty of this look. Is just gorgeous with all its work right there. There you go, you can see it. Okay, and I'm going to, so we have another 15 minutes where we're going to be showing you all of these pieces. Now I just showed you the first design in our Katan dupattas from our heritage collections, and this is the second color that you can see. It is such a unique shade of brown. You know, wear it one-sided, wear it two-sided, cover your head, wear it on a lehenga. Malab, you know, endless possibilities hain with something as amazing as this one. You can see it here. Now with it, what do I have for you? Okay, वो एक खुद में एक speciality है, and it's something really you have not seen. Okay, let's show you this. There you go. You can see it right there. This is this is again from a design, from a weave. We have revived to make this. This is a fabric by the meter, by the tham, Sona, Rupa, Jangla, Karwa, Jal, all of it together. Each than taking about 60 days to be made, and I'm telling you the size is just 7.5 or 8 meters. That's it. We don't repeat them. यही इनकी खासियत है. ये जो आप देख रहे हैं, that's all. And that's in fact the खासियत of all of these pieces that you have seen today. जो है मैंने आपको दिखाया. Anyways, here you go. And now let's just make this combination even better. There you go. Oh my God, it's the most beautiful one. और मुझे इसको जब मैंने साथ देखा, and this is so okay, I'll tell you, this we have designed separately, this we have designed separately and made them on different looms. हर जगह हर टेक्निक सब कुछ अलग है इन दोनों pieces की. But we do a lot of work once the pieces arrive to us. Of course there is a season के color palette जो follow करते हैं हमारे different collection जो different जगह बनते हैं. But ये जब साथ में आते हैं, look at the beauty, look at the whole look right there. It's just a showstopper, isn't it? But today we're going to have a difficulty pinpointing our showstopper, because what I have next up for you is this most wonderful piece that you're seeing. Here you go. Now what you're seeing here is a Katan silk, real zari dupatta, and what a hot red, guys, what a hot red. I mean, I love the blue so much in it, the 2-on-2 blue, okay? Wear it with a blue, it's like the denim blue, but with a red in a heritage piece. I mean, like, look at it. That is what we can do, absolutely. Now, I could have done many combinations with it, you know, in blue, in gold, I mean, of course, Maini, Buta, and as much as I would like to create it for you, I cannot, you know, technically I cannot recreate it for you. So that's all with our signature pieces, जो आप colors देख रहे हैं, एक बार में बनते हैं and they're perfect, and that is the time for you to be able to pick it up. So all you're going to be needing for this most wonderful piece, and you will see the whole look, is this. That's all that you're looking for. It's perfect as a combination. Kuch nahi chahiye. It's a red on red, and it's such a rock star color. The design, the whole look for you is just everything, okay? So you've seen this. We move on to the next. It keeps getting better, I'm telling you. We go on to this most beautiful piece also in real zari. Okay, now this one, okay, हमने बहुत डिबेट किया था जब हमने बनाया भी इसको कि क्या किया जाए. Now look at that piece. It is whether to go, because of course 99% of what we do, how we do, and what we make is for you guys online. सारा ही हमारा, you know, everything that's coming or whatever we are is because of you guys online. But sometimes we wonder कि ये कई बार ये phone में दिखते हैं कि नहीं इनकी खूबसूरती. But we've taken the chance to show this one to you because it's most gorgeous, it's classy, it's elegant, it's just everything. Okay, इसके लिए, you know, I'm going to come a tad bit closer to you to show all the details to you, the softest. Now what is the base color? It's kind of a creamish color in Katan silk, and this is a real zari dupatta. Remember, we will give you the certificate authenticated for each piece that you see. Okay, there you go. Now that's the combination. This is the newest peachish, pearl pink, you know, the rose pink color in our knee buta. हाँ, so ये तो नहीं है जो मैंने पहना है, but the good thing is at least we have this glorious color available. And look at that. Now, you know, I mean, this pairing is tricky. I would say that the base color in Katan, just simply dyed, would be most gorgeous. Okay, it's going to be very, very classy for the whole look of this piece. Even probably this dhani green, you know, which is there at the border, that's going to be amazing. But when we were working out combinations, we did think that a great base like this would also make the dupatta look extremely beautiful. Okay, from that to the Florence in silk. Now look at that. That's also something that matches the color perfectly. It looks super, super gorgeous for you to see. The next up piece, I'm done there, so I'm going back. Okay, the next up piece is this for you, and you will see this satin. Oh my God, what a stellar color. इसको हमने दो concept पे बनाया. The very closed ones, they will have a separate price like this one. And the earlier yellow one was a little spread out. We've done both depending on what you like. And that has a different price point, okay? This one, oh, you have to hear it. You have to feel it. This particular fabric, it's most amazing. And I'm going to open it and we are banned, okay? I'm just doing something which we never do. Open our satins and open our tissues, actually. But I have just for you. Look at that shine. Look at the gleam. It's just the most beautiful fabric that you've seen. You have to feel it on your skin, okay? It's amazing. So that satin by tissue, our unique composition, and this is a karwa work, a very, very closely and intensely, you know, time-taking and a detailed specific work that we do for this one. So there you can see it. And this is the third piece of our heritage one that we have designed and launched today just for you, is this one, which is in yellow. So yes, I think of course you can do one, you know, purple dupatta, but honestly this color is not possible in anything that we make, even in our best of yarn dyed pieces, because it's this unique composition of gold and purple, not to be replicated at all. And look at that, that's the yellow. I think it's amazing with this, you know, it takkar ka match hai. Right? It's like that. It has to also match the beauty, the look. Okay, from that we're going to be doing and showcasing one new color for you, and that's in a real zari Munga silk suit. Ye composition, you know, of course, Munga real zari is an art which has been in our culture for, you know, my nani, dadi and unki grandmothers, and I have some of my great grandmothers pieces in real zari. It's been there for a while, okay? So when we do a real zari piece in katan and in cotton, of course, you know, we are doing it with our designs, our ethos, our technique of making it, and we are breaking many, many barriers right there. But when we made this, this was really a step up. This is the most unique composition. This is Munga silk, and never has it been done before to, you know, for anybody to be able to create a real zari piece in Munga silk. But we have done it, and we have been making exclusive collections for some time now. And yes, I'm just showing you one piece of this collection right here for you. Look at that. The composition is Munga, and I think we have the you know, certification right there. Now I will show you, because of course certification and the lab authentication takes some time, but this is, you know, this we had a little time कि हम आपको दिखा पाएं. Look at that. That's the certificate. I can't show you or more closer. This is only for people who actually, at the end of it, you know, when you buy it, you kind of get to see it. It's yes, it is completely authenticated with each gold, silver and copper composition given out right here in detail. So ये एक बहुत छोटी सी बात है हमारे लिए, but हमारे लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है कि हम ये beautiful, that's the logo that you see, that जब हम ये beautiful pieces आपको दिखाएं and जब आप हमसे लें, so you have that trust for many of you blindly for all the years. But I know, I mean, it's always something that we should be doing, and we have done it. So these are authenticated real zari pieces for with certification for you. इसके bottom में भी हमने, you can see, for the bottom also we have given this broad real zari border. So it is your perfect look. and this is one, yes, this was a path breaking for me when I composed it many years ago, the first piece, in fact in 2017, as a very great, great exercise as a part of a project that I did. Yeah, and I showed it to the best people in the world. So yes, that was something absolutely amazing. Colors are available. These are full real zari suit sets in Munga silk. I'm going to be showing and closing the show with yet another piece. Okay, I started out with the black. Of course, I was wearing the red dupatta, but I started out with the black. That was the first satin one, which is our newest motive. And I'm going to end it with this beauty, this black beauty. I mean, words will fail me to describe the beauty को describe करना तो आपके सामने, you can see it. The time and effort that goes into making. जब हमने इसको डिजाइन किया, जब हमने इसको इम्प्लीमेंट किया, इसके ग्राफ्स बने एंड जो इसके रिपीट्स हैं, इट इज फ्लॉलेस. I can tell you that, okay? Handmade pieces, as flawless as it gets, this is for you, okay? These are our super premium Katan silk, pure fabric in tested zari. And look at the whole look right there. Okay, when you're going to be wearing this, yes, there is only one way, same on same, or we will make a yarn dyed black bottom for you. Probably you can pick up the pink, the red also, if you're going to create a different kind of a look. And I'm going to close this live and the show, and yes, of course, welcome all of you on WhatsApp in our studio. Studio में आज का दिन special है. There's a lot of things lined up for you in terms of offers, special pieces, getting to see this. So yes, it is one day. आप आ तो किसी भी टाइम सकते हैं, Monday to Saturday 9 to 6 by picking up an appointment with my team on WhatsApp. But today is going to be special, so make sure that you're here. And on everybody on WhatsApp, this entire live only for you, so that you could see all of this first. And I'm going to show you next is our newest Katan silk dupatta real zari design. And there you see, here it is. Delicate. This is made basically so that we have a starting range in Katan in pure zari. Light, flawless, detailed, all authenticated. You can see the detail here in Katan silk. It's absolutely perfect. This is the first and only piece that you can see in this most amazing design right now. And I love the flow, the whole look, but let's show it to you now together and you will know why I have picked this up for you. It is flawless as a combination. This dupatta is going to be such a great base for all your heavy looks. We can also do, in fact, we can do handwork on it for you if you wish. We are working on it, on real zari handwork. Hopefully, yes, you will be able to see that more. But there you go, this dupatta, this look as a show closing today. And yes, of course, needless to say, we're done with our lives for the week. We've been waiting to do this live, and we have. Thank you guys for all the love that you send our way always today. So I'm really excited to meet you on WhatsApp and here in studio. Today we are here all day, all details, on our page. Thank you and have a great day. Thank you so much.